we'll be looking at minor key harmony and key centers. This video will look at the harmonic minor and the minor 2-5-1 sequence. As you now know, when you find a 2-5-1 with a major tonal center, you look for major 7s and work backwards. We can use the harmony or modes from the parent scale of the tonal center. In this case it's C major. Here's the good news. With the harmonic minor, this rule also applies. Mind you, the harmonic minor differs from the melodic minor significantly. We'll cover this in our next video. So, first we need to find a root minor. Remember that root minors can be spelt in different ways. If you play the harmonic minor of the 1, or the root chord, over the whole of the cadence, you'll find that not only does it fit, but it gives a sense of tension and release. So if your 2-7 flat 5 or 5-7 flat 9 1 is D minor 7 flat 5 G7 flat 9 C minor, you can use C harmonic minor as the parent scale for the whole sequence. This is because C harmonic minor fits into all the chords before it. Let's take a look at it in a bit more depth. Let's have a look at our modes of the harmonic minor. Remember, we need to be able to have two modes that have the correct harmonic information to be able to fit with our 2-7 flat 5, 5-7 flat 9, 1 sequence. You'll see the mode at the second degree, and therefore it's got a chord next to it. It has all the information we're looking for. Why does this mode work, the second degree of the harmonic minor? Because it has all the information needed to spell out the 2 chord in the minor 2-5-1 sequence. It has a minor third, it has a flattened fifth, and a flattened seventh. Let's look at the 5 chord. Notice how the 5 chord has a flat 9 next to it. For the 5-7 chord, we use the 5th degree of the harmonic minor. You'll see this mode has a flat 9. And therefore, its chord will fit with the minor 2-5-1 sequence. Obviously, for the 1 chord, we use the root or parent scale, the harmonic minor. You can see the chord fits with the minor 2-5-1 sequence. Remember that root minor chords always have a major 7, even though they are a minor chord. So we now know how harmonic minor tonal centers work. We can start looking for them in well-known standards. Here's Beautiful Love by Victor Young, and it begins with a minor 2-5-1 here. The 1 is D minor, therefore we can use D harmonic minor and its associated modes for all the chords in this sequence. There's also a 2-5-1 in the major tonal center here, in F major, and a secondary dominant here. And lastly, another 2-5 in D minor here. You can tell it's minor because of the flat 5, flat 9 extensions. In the next video, we'll start to look at melodic minor and how to apply it to minor 2-5-1 tonal centers.